importance of keyword attribution in Google Ads. It's very basic stuff, but it's very, very important that you guys do this. And I want to walk you guys through a live account that is currently doing this and why it's important. So let's jump right into it. This is a junk removal Google Ads account, and I'm just going to be walking you guys through the call reporting inside our Go High Level system. We do this for all our clients. We keyword track, we record the calls, everything that they need in order to figure out if Google Ads is even working for them. So let's jump into it. And like I mentioned, at Max Conversion, we do this for all our clients. We attribute the keywords to specific keywords, to specific calls. That way you're able to understand a pattern of what keywords are working and what keywords are not working. And that's step one. Is keyword attribution is very, very important because you're able to see where it's coming from, what device, and what keyword. You're able to see what keyword is converting on Google Ads, but you're not able to attribute it to a specific phone number or a specific type of caller. And so this is why it's important. Is if you notice that somebody who types in, junk removal near me, or plumbing services near me, or moving services near me is a higher quality lead. If you go through and you listen to 5 phone calls from that and 5 phone calls from another keyword, you'll notice that, the near me might be a lot higher quality, that you have a 75% close rate instead of a 35% close rate on that keyword. And what that means for you guys, what it should mean is that keyword is a lot higher quality for you because it leads to more jobs. And you guys do need a lot of data to be able to decipher whether it's working or not. I would recommend more than 5 calls for a specific keyword to understand if it's really working. But it's very, very important and very useful information, because if the near me terms are working a lot better for you, what you can do is you can allocate more money to showing up more frequently for that keyword. You can allocate more money to spend more on that keyword and get more clicks and get more leads for that keyword, because you know that the close rate on that is a lot better than a different keyword. And with that, you should be willing to spend a little bit more money for that specific lead because it closes more frequently. And so that's basically in a nutshell why keyword attribution is so very, very important. But I want to walk you guys through our dashboard here at Max Conversion. So you see here that all our campaign is integrated with this Go High Level system. We use the number pool to track, where the lead is coming from, the keyword, and we can see here that, with this information, we're able to see, what landing page they visited, if they're a first-time caller, the duration of the call, was it picked up, was it not, and the keyword. And with this, what we can determine is if we go back and we look at 90 days worth of data, we're able to determine that, or 60 days worth of data, we're able to determine, what keywords are really, really working, right? And you can base this on duration. You can just listen to each call, record it, and figure out what keywords, what converted for you. But you can see here just junk removal, junk haul near me, junk removal Los Angeles, yard waste removal, Santa Clara, debris removal, pickup junk removal service, and jacuzzi removal. You're just able to see whether these leads are quality. So a theme I notice here, you're just with the duration without listening to the calls. You do want to go back and listen to the calls, but junk removal with a location, Pasadena, Burbank, Santa Clara, Los Angeles, all these calls are above 3 minutes. And that's a very good sign that the quality of the lead is very, very good. And so really, guys, if you guys are running Google Ads, it's getting very, very competitive nowadays. So making sure that you have keyword attribution in your Google Ads account and in some sort of CRM is very, very important. You don't have to use High Level for this. You can always use CallRail or another call tracking software. If you guys do need help setting it up, we do help set it up at Max Conversion. That integration, the keyword attribution, we offer consulting services as well as management. But this is very important for you guys. If you guys are very serious about tracking your numbers, figuring out if Google Ads works, what's the margins, there's no better way to do that than using a number pool, tracking your phone calls from a specific source, but then figuring out what keywords are working for you. There's no better way. It's worth the $45, $50 a month for a call tracking software to do that, because you're really able to understand what's working and what's not. So if you guys do have any questions about keyword attribution, Google Ads, anything, make sure you leave them down below in the comments. We answer all questions, all comments, no matter what they are. So I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for more Google Ads helpful tips.